Yeah. Hi guys, good evening everybody. So today's class is inheritance, guys. Okay, inheritance. So in the last class, we have to see in what class. So class is a collection of variables and methods. Next, in the second one is how many types of hoops principles are there, guys? Actually, guys, are you able to hear my voice? Everybody, please respond on the chat box. Guys, please respond. So, B Vinay, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir, audible.
Yeah. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now see, guys. Now today's class is inheritance, guys. This is also very important, guys. Actually, how many types of OOPS principles are there, guys? Actually, how many types of OOPS principles are there? How many types of OOPS principles are there? So there
Seven.
are 7 types of OOPS principles are there. First one is class. Next one is object. So next one is polymorphism, inheritance, data abstraction, and data encapsulation, and data hiding. There are 7 types of OOPS principles are there. 7 types of OOPS principles are there. So you already know what is mean by class. So you already know what is mean by a object. So what is mean by class? Class is a collection of variables and what is mean by object? Object is nothing but an instance of a class is known as a object. So next, what is mean by polymorphism? Polymorphism is poly means many, morphisms means forms. One form to many forms is known as a polymorphism. Next, inheritance. Inheritance means parent class properties can be inherited to child class. Then that is known as inheritance. There are 7 types of inheritances there. Sorry, there are 5 types of inheritances are there. So that is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchy inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Actually, what is mean by inheritance? So we already saw in yesterday's class. So overloading and overriding this, that is polymorphism. Poly means many, morphisms means forms. One form to many forms is known as a polymorphism. There are 2 types of polymorphisms are there. First one is compile time polymorphism. Next one is runtime polymorphism. Yeah. Compile time polymorphism, best example is overloading. Runtime polymorphism, best example is overriding. So what is mean by overloading? Overloading is nothing but overloading is nothing but overloading. Method name same and parameter list is also different. Method name same, parameter lists are different. Then that is known as a overloading. There are 3 types of overloadings are there. First one is overloading with a different number, overloading with a different data type, overloading with different order. Next, coming to this inheritance, inheritance is nothing but parent class properties or methods can be inherited to child class. Then that is known as inheritance. So here by using the extends keyword, we are achieving the inheritance, guys. Advantage of the inheritances are we are achieving the reusability of the code. You can achieving the reusability of the code, then we should go for this inheritance concept. Here see class parent is there. In this parent class have some variables. These all are the variables or properties. So by using this class extends parent. Whenever use class extends parent, so class child extends parent. Whenever use this sentence, so automatically these all properties is automatically is inheriting into this child class. This is known as a inheritance. How many types of inheritances are there? There are 5 types of inheritances are there. First one is single inheritance, multi-level. Next hierarchy inheritance. Next hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance. What is mean by single inheritance? Single inheritance means so only one child class can be inherited from one parent class. Then that is known as a single inheritance. Okay. So here see. So A is one parent class and B is one child class, guys. Only one child class. Okay. Only one child class. Only one child class can be inheriting from one parent class only. One parent class. Only one child class can be inheriting from one parent class only. One parent class. This is known as a single inheritance. Example for the single inheritance is like this. See, Example for the single inheritance is like this, guys. Suppose copy this. So now open your notepad. Okay, so open some notepad here. Notepad. So here paste it. Now see guys in here. So class A is there. Here method A is there. Some parent A class method is there. Next again class B extends from A. Here method B is there. Now here take one public static void main method. So I want to create the object for the B class and B dot method A and B dot method B. Here check guys. So here only one child class can be inherit from one parent class only. Okay, so one child class can be inherit from one parent class only. This is known as a single inheritance. Okay, now copy this B class name. So save this one as a B dot Java. Save this one as a B dot Java. Save this one as a B dot Java. So now I want to compile and execute this one, guys. How to compile and execute? How to compile and execute, guys? Here only one parent class. So here only one child class is there. This child class can be inheriting from one parent class only. This is known as a single inheritance. Okay. Now see guys, now I open how to execute this logic, guys. First of all, please observe how to execute. So Java control directly is entered into the public static void main. Here checks where is the object. B is the object that is belongs to B class. Control jumps to B class. Here call the method A. Method A means which method is came. So this method is automatically is inheriting into the B class. Next method B means which B already B is there. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to prove that. So for that, so open my command prompt. Next D drive. Change the directory 1am. Now I am in 1am. I want to compile the Java program. Java C space B dot Java. Compilation is done. Okay, compilation is done. Next execution. Java space B. Now see so parent A class method is automatically inheriting into B and child and a child B class method is also there. Okay, this is known as a single inheritance. Now everybody go and copy this one on the chat box, guys. So this is known as a single inheritance. Yeah. Now coming to multi-level inheritance, guys. What is mean by multi-level inheritance actually? What is mean by multi-level inheritance? Multi-level inheritance means only one child class can be inheriting from one more child class. Okay, only one child class. Only one child class can be inheriting from one more child class. One more child class. This is also a child class or derived class. One more name. Okay, so please try to don't forget, guys. Subject never forget actually. Okay, so subject never forget you. So you can go through the subject day by day. So now this is known as a child class or derived class. This is a child. So this is a child class. This one is child class or derived class. This is a child class. Only one child class can be inherited from one more child class. This is known as a multi-level inheritance. Okay, not parent class. Okay. Now, see, I want to execute this program also. See, please concentrate, guys. So, now copy this. Now go to here, go to Notepad. Notepad. Yeah, now see, guys. Here, class X is there. So, method X. So, okay, next here, class Y extends from X. So, in the Y class, so method X is there. and as well as method y is also there. Coming to class z extends from y. Okay, please concentrate in here. Actually, this z is extends from where, guys? This z is extends from where? This z extends from, this is just, yeah, this z extends from where? This z extends from x or y. This z is extends from y only, not from x. Means here only one child class can be inheriting from one more child class. Here who is a child person? Y only. Okay, this is known as a multi-level inheritance. Okay, be concentrated, guys. It is very, very important. This class is very important. Okay, why means, so multiple, I will explain the multiple inheritance. Multiple, why Java become here nowadays very popular? So there is no dominant language for the Java. Why means multiple inheritance does not support by the Java. So that's why interfaces concept is entered. Whenever interface concept is entered into the Java, automatically implementation classes are required. That implementation classes purpose, so third-party peoples are entered into the Java. So whenever third-party peoples are entered into the Java, automatically Java usage day by day increased. So that's why Java become a popular one US-based article is released one article. Okay, that article says, so Java become a popular, so due to that is the reason. Okay, now see guys, so Z is a child class. This child class is extends from one more child class, Y. This is known as a which inheritance? Multi-level inheritance. Now copy this class name. Now save this one as a child.java. Okay, now save. Okay, so now save this one as a z.java. What is the public static void main is available in where? A public static void main is available in the Z. So that's why you save that one as a z.java. Yeah. So now open your command prompt. I open my command prompt. Now I want to compile and execute this program. How to compile? By using Java C tool. Java C space z.java. Compilation is done. Next execution Java space Z. Output is class X method, class Y method, and class Z method. You already know how to execute that. So Z is the object of Z class. Control jumps to Z class. Here, this one is extends from Y, right? So Y contains, Y is also extends from X, right? So that's why Y contains X method and Y method. So this X method, Y method is automatically is inheriting into to Z class. So finally Z class contains X method, Y method, and Z method only. Okay. Now I want to open my command prompt in here. Now compile and execute. Whenever compile and execute, so we got the output like this, guys. Class X method, class Y method, and class Z method. Now go and copy this one on the chat box. Yeah. So now after this, hierarchical inheritance, guys. Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means two or more child classes. Two or more child classes can be inheriting from one parent class only. Okay, two or more child classes. Please go up. Two or more child classes. Please check in here. Two or more child classes can be inherited from one parent class. One parent class. That is known as a hierarchy inheritance. Hierarchy inherit. Two or more child classes can be inherited from one parent class only. These all are the two or more child classes. Is inheriting from one parent class only. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance actually. Two or more child classes can be inheriting from one parent class only. This is known as a hierarchy inheritance. Means here two or more child classes are required. So now go to one example program for that. Two or more child classes are there. Okay. Yeah. See, two or more child classes can be extending from one parent class only. Be concentrate. See here. Here guys. Please observe in this class. Top. Check class A. Class A contains method A. Next class B. So coming to scenario in here, B is the child class. Is extends from parent class only, right? C is also a one child class, is extends from parent class A only. Next coming to D class D also extends from A only. Okay, class D is extends from A only. Two or more child classes are there or not there here? Yes, is there. This is one B class, is extends from A. This is some C class, extends from A. D class is extends from A. And E class also extends from A. Okay, any class, any two or more child class, two or more child classes can be extending from one parent class only. That is known as a hierarchical inheritance. That is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Please remember. Okay. Now see what happened. Who shared? What is this? Yeah. So now see guys. Now I want to save this one. Here, what is the main exam here? Guys, are you able to hear my screen? What is the main class in here? Java example is a main class. Why it is a main class? Guys, are you able to view my screen or not? Please respond on the chat
No, sir.
box.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. Now see here, A is a one parent class, B is a child class. So B class can be extends from A class. And C class is also extends from A class only, parent class only. And D class is also extends from A class, parent class only. Okay. Now here, I want to take one Java example. Java example is a one separate class. That is the main class. Why it is a main class, guys? Why it is a main class? This is a main class.
A parent class.
Yeah. This is a main class. This is a main class because of public static void main is available in the Java example class. Here I have created three classes B, C is equals to new C, D is equals to new D. Now by using B dot method A, I called and C dot method A and I call D dot method A. Method A is already there. So from extends from A class only, right? Now I want to call that existing methods also. Now in the B class, B dot method B is there. Okay. Please tell me in the C class which method is there. Class method C is there, right? Yes. C dot method C. Yeah. So in the D class, existing method. D dot method. What I am saying, method D. What I am saying. So this A method is there. Method A is extending into B and method C is also extending into C. Method A is also extending into the C class and method A extending into D class also. Existing methods already there. I want to call those methods also. So that's why I call like this. Now I want to save this program as a Java example. Save this one, guys. Java example. Why Java example? So because of, so public static void main is available in where? Public static void main is available in where? So in the Java example class. So that's why I want to save that one into here. Java example dot Java save. Okay, saved. Yeah. Now I want to compile and execute this program, guys. How to compile? So like this only Java C space, Java C space, Java example dot Java. Yeah, compilation is done. Next execution Java space, Java example, Java space, Java example. Okay, enter. Output is so like this only method of class A, method of class B, and method of class C, and method of class A, and method of class D. You now go and copy this one on the chat box. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance. This is a hierarchical inheritance. Yeah, very good. Next, after this, hybrid inheritance, guys. Everybody please go and copy in the chat box. Yeah, hybrid inheritance. What is mean by hybrid inheritance? Actually, hybrid inheritance means combination of two inheritances is known as a combination of two inheritances. Combination of any two inheritances is known as a hybrid inheritance. Combination of any two inheritances. Combination of any two inheritances is known as a hybrid inheritance. See, in this example, please observe, ABC is a which inheritance, guys? ABC. In this diagram, so ABC is a which inheritance? Please respond on the chat box. ABC is a multi-level, right? Yes. ABC is a multi-level. What is AEBD? AEBD is a AEBD hierarchy. So ABC is a multi-level, very good. AEBD is a hierarchy. Here combination of two inheritances. Here combination of two inheritances or not? Yes. Okay. So this is known as a hybrid inheritance. Okay. Now see, now I want to execute this program also, hybrid inheritance. I will show you. Please concentrate on the scenario. Please observe in this program. Please observe in this program, guys. Please observe in this program actually. So here, so class C is there, guys, and display method is there. And I want to print to something C class. And class A extends from C. So class A extends from class A extends from C means, so this display method is automatically is inheriting into the A class, right? And the class B is extends into C. Extends into C means this method is also override. So now please observe, this is belongs to which inheritance? This is hierarchy. This is hierarchy. Why a hierarchy? Combination of two inheritances. Class A extends from C, class B extends from C. Here combination of two inheritances, right? Yes. Here combination of two inheritances. Class A extends from C, and class B is also extends from C only. This is combination of two inheritances. Okay, so this is a hierarchy. Next, coming to hybrid. Class D. So please observe, go on top. ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ, ఇది ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇది చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇది ఏమవుతుంది, చైల్డ్ క్లాసు. అందుకని మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు, మీకు బాగా గుర్తు రావాలి, బాగా అలవాటు కావాలి అని చెప్పేసి నేను సిని తీసుకెళ్ళి, సిని నేను ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేసిన సిని నేను సిని ఏని చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ అనుకున్నా. ఓకే, నేను సిని పేరెంట్ క్లాస్ అనుకున్నా. గుర్తుపెట్టి, ఏ క్లాస్ అయితే ఏముంది గైస్, మనకు అవుట్పుట్ రావాలి, మన మన స్ట్రక్చర్ మన స్ట్రక్చర్ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. అది యా, ఏ అనేది చైల్డ్ క్లాస్, సి అనేది పేరెంట్ క్లాస్. సో ఏ అనేది చైల్డ్ క్లాస్. సో వన్ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్టెండింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ మోర్ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్, one more child class, one more child class. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, now copy this class name D class, guys. So now, D class ki object create chestunna, D dot disp ante disp method call avutadi. Save this one as a D dot Java, save. Okay, now open our command prompt. Java C space D dot Java. Yes, compilation is done. Next, all methods are overriding to that disp method, D class disp method. Only print D only. Only print D. Okay, enter. So output is D only. This is a which inheritance? Combination of two inheritances. Okay, here combination of two inheritances. Combination of two, these all are the combination of two inheritances. Combination of two inheritances means which inheritance? Combination of two inheritances means which inheritance?
Hybrid.
Yeah, correct. Hybrid inheritance. Okay, hybrid inheritance. Okay, now go and copy this one on the chat box. Yeah. Now, most important one. So మనకి ఏదైతే సపోర్ట్, ఎస్ కరెక్ట్. సో మనకు ఏదైతే సపోర్ట్ చేయదో దాని గురించి ఫోకస్ పెట్టాలి జావా. సో పూర్తిగా మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అనేది స్కిప్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి, సో మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ స్పేస్ లో ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు అనమాట. ఓకే, ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అనేది అదేంటో మనం చూడాలి ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, సో గో టు ద మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటంటే, సో ఫస్ట్ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఫ్రెషర్స్ అయినా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాళ్ళు అయినా కానీ మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ డస్ నాట్ సపోర్ట్ బై ద జావా. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఎప్పుడు అడిగినా కానీ, నిద్రలో అడిగినా చెప్పేటట్టు ఉండాలి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ ఇస్ సపోర్ట్ బై ద జావా అంటే నో. మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ డస్ నాట్ సపోర్ట్ బై ద జావా. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఈజ్ మీన్ బై మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్? అండ్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో కూడా మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ వోంట్ సపోర్ట్ బై ద జావా ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్ లో కూడా జావా సపోర్ట్ చేయదు మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. ఓకే, అసలు మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ వన్ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్, ఓన్లీ వన్ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ కెన్ బి ఇన్హెరిటెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ టూ పేరెంట్ క్లాసెస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. can be inherited from two parent classes. Here, what are the parent classes are there? A is one parent class is there, and as well as P is also one parent class is there. Two parent classes are there. Okay, so Java is Java confused. సో బీలోకి ఏ ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ రైజ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఏలో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాపర్టీస్ లేదా మెథడ్స్ బీలోకి తెచ్చుకోవాలా, లేదా ఏ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలా, లేదా ఈ బీలోకి పి యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలా అనేది జావా పూర్తిగా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతుంది. జావా బీలోకి ఏ క్లాస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి, ఏ క్లాస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ బీలోకి తెచ్చుకోవాలా, లేదా పి క్లాస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ బీలోకి తెచ్చుకోవాలని చెప్పి జావా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోయి నీకు ambiguity error ని జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది. ambiguity error ని జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది. బీలోకి ఏ క్లాస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి, ఏ క్లాస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలా, లేదా పి క్లాస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ తెచ్చుకోవాలా అని చెప్పి జావా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోయి సో నీకు ambiguity error ని జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఒక మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అనేది టోటల్ గా ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి సో యూ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది మార్కెట్లకి ఎంటర్ అయిపోయింది అన్నమాట. జావా అనేది టోటల్ గా మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ పూర్తిగా ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది. సో మల్టిపుల్ ఒక ఫ్యూచర్ అనేది వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ నెవర్ సపోర్ట్ బై ద జావా. సో మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ సపోర్ట్ చేయలేదు, ఒక ఫీచర్ లేదు. దానికోసం ఇప్పుడు ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది మార్కెట్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయింది అన్నమాట. దానికి ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై ఇంటర్ఫేస్, వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై క్లాస్? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ మెథడ్స్ కదా. క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ మెథడ్సా కాదా? ఎస్, 100%. క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ మెథడ్స్. సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ your interfaces also. So this is the definition, guys. This is just a tutorial definition. మీరు క్లాస్కి రావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఈ డెఫినేషన్ కోసం. అయితే రియల్ టైమ్ డెఫినేషన్ ఈజ్ మ్యాండేటరీ. ప్రతిదీ రియల్ టైంలో చెప్తాను నేను. క్లాస్ అనేది కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ మెథడ్స్. ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ పర్టికులర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ సమ్ పర్టికులర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్స్. ఈ పర్టికులర్ టైప్లో ఏమేమి వస్తాయంటే, పర్టికులర్ టైప్ అంటే పబ్లిక్ స్టాటిక్ ఫైనల్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ పబ్లిక్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ మెథడ్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ట్యూటోరియల్ డెఫినేషన్. ఇది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా ఈ డెఫినేషన్ దొరుకుతుంది మీకు. కానీ రియల్ టైం డెఫినేషన్ తెలుసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఇప్పుడు ది బెస్ట్ అని చూస్తుంటుంది. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. ఐటీ మార్కెట్ ఎప్పుడు ది బెస్ట్ అంటూ ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడు వీళ్ళలో బెస్ట్ ఎవరు, ఇంకా బాగా చదివే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు, ఓకేనా? సో అది మనకు జాగ్రత్తగా మనము దాన్ని ఫాలోఅప్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం. ఓకే, సో అంటే ఆ వేలో ఆ రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియోస్కి ఎక్కువ మనము ప్రియారిటీ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ప్రియారిటీ, దీనికోసము ఈ డెఫినేషన్ కోసం ఒక జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. టుమారో ఒక ఐఫోన్ మొబైల్ కొంటున్నాం, ఒక ఐఫోన్ 15 కొంటున్నాం టుమారో. ఐఫోన్ మొబైల్ ని ఒక జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా తీసుకుని మీకు ఇంటర్ఫేస్ లో ఎవరు ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ క్లాసెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు, ఎవరు ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు, ఎవరు ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ క్లాసెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారని స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇస్తా. టుమారోస్ క్లాస్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ గైస్. ఓకే, డోంట్ మిస్ ఇట్ గైస్. ఓకే, చలో గైస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. టుమారో ప్లీజ్ కలెక్ట్ దిస్ నోట్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. Tomorrow I will cover the interfaces concept. It is very important. It is very, very important, guys. I will send you to institute this all notes, guys. So at a time I will send you. So please go and copy. Now, those guys are sent to your mail IDs. Okay. So tomorrow it's very important class. Interfaces concept I will cover. Interfaces concept are very, very, very important. Tomorrow I will give you one general, one real-time definition also for the interfaces. Yeah. I already sent that. Go and copy, and I will send you this entire notes to the institute also. Please go and copy. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Up to here, is there any doubt, guys? Ajay, Porul, Tella, boys, Sri Lekha, Gayatri M. Is there any doubt, Kiran, Yaswant, Shivasai? Is there any doubt, guys, up to here? Guys, please respond. Yeah, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Chalo, I'll meet you tomorrow at the same time, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all.